Okay? So, let's start. Pasensya na po kayo, medyo madilim. Yan. So, start na po tayo. Yun. So, yun po yung aking pangalan. Registered, tested by. Okay. Yan. Trailer is 90, refuel 90. Oh. Ito. Yep. Okay, next. Next. And right ECU. So, yan po yung pinto, yan po yung ito po aking user ID. And yan po yung password. Salit lang po. Okay, so function are activated. So it means papasok na po ang aking password. Okay, so let's do the test. So this is how to test and register the trailer here in Australia. Okay, so there's a redundancy, pressure test, redundancy test. Tumutunog na po siya. Okay, EBS pressure test carried out. Okay, the blue. Okay, redundancy test running. So, okay, all okay, means it's okay. Boom. Okay, release the brakes. Okay, the blue is the brakes. Release. Okay, so the C. Okay, turn the C wheel. So C wheel is on the left side of the rear axle. So kailangan po natin ikutin ito kung natisense niya yung wheel sensor. Yun, pag tumigil po, ibig sabihin activated po, gumagana po yung wheel sensor na kinabit natin. Isa pa. Okay, so tumigil po siya, ibig sabihin is gumagana ang trabaho ni Papa Joms.